Alright guys, here's the installation video of the plenum kit. Here's the gun with the reservoir remove, and then the shroud and the pick rail remove. The simplest way is to remove the reservoir is to get air out of it first. I usually shoot the gun down to about 1000 psi and then use an adjustable wrench and slowly back out of that until you hear air. Once you start hearing air come out, just let it sit until it completely bleeds out, and then you'll be able to twist this off afterward. And when you remove this, there's an O-ring right here that seals the reservoir, and you leave that one on there. The plenum simply just screws on. Alright, hand tight is good enough. There's also an O-ring on here, which is a 12x2, and the reservoir will screw onto that. Alright, hand tight is good enough. Now there'll be 2 end caps for the shroud. This is the rear one. Simply thread it on. This is the front one right here. It's a 1/2x20 thread. You twist that on, and then you insert into the barrel. Once you get that in and bottom out, I usually align the set screws like this. Is a 3mm Allen M6 set screw, one on each side. It holds the barrel, or it holds the shroud in place. And after that, you can slide the pick rail back in and install the 2.5mm Allen. And that's about it. You can attach your moderator to it. Put your fuel cap cover back on first, and then you attach your moderator to it. That's all there is to it. And when you fill up the gun, you do want to cock the lever back while you're filling it so it'll keep the valve closed. All right.